Hello, from Mathematics class 7th R.D. Sharma. We are doing chapter number 3 in that exercise 3.3 of question number 9. See the question number 9. A vehicle cover a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it travel in 1 liter of petrol? Now for 2.4 liter vehicle travel 43.2 kilometer. So we have to find for 1 liter how much the vehicle travel. Cross multiplication. So let us do what we had given in question number 9. First we will write that distance covered, okay, distance covered by a vehicle in 2.4 liter of petrol. How many distance a vehicle cover? Which is 43.2 kilometer, and we have to find distance covered by a vehicle in 1 liter of petrol, which is equal to question mark, that we have to find out. So first of all, what we will write? 2.4 liter 43.2 kilometer travel. So for 1 liter how much? So cross multiplication. So what we will get? 1 multiplied by 43.2 upon 2.4. Now we will just remove the decimal point. Okay. So 43.2 upon 10 multiplied by 24 upon 10 is there. So here in the denominator is there. So that denominator will goes in numerator. So how we can write? 432 into 10 upon 10 into 24. Okay. Now cancellation part we will do. Cancel 10 10. 24 ones are and 24 18s are. So 18 kilometer. So what we will write at last? Therefore distance covered by a vehicle in 1 liter is 18 kilometer. Okay, understood? Now we'll do question number 10. The total weight of some bag of weight is 1743 kg. If each bag weight 49.8 kg, how many bags are there? Now for the one bag weight is 49.8 kg. So for 1743 kg, how many bags we have to find out? Just see what we have to do. Here in question 10, what we had given was weight is given and bags, weight of weight, right, which is 49.8 kg one bag. So 1743 kg, how many bags we have to find out? Cross multiplication. So equal to 1743 multiplied by 1 upon 49.8. So we'll remove this decimal part. Okay. So equal to 1743 49.8. Only one decimal is there. So I am writing at the numerator 10. Now cancellation part. First we'll multiply this. 1743 into 10 is 17,430 and 498. 498 ones are and 30 5s are. So 35 bags. Okay, so at last what we will write? There are 35 bags of wheat. Okay, that's your answer. Now we will do question number 11. In question number 11, Shikha cuts 50 meter of clothes into pieces of 1.25 meter each. How many pieces does she get? Now for the one piece, how many meter it is? 1.25. When total cloth is 50 meter. So how many pieces we have to find? So for the one piece, meter is 1.25. So 50 meter, how many pieces? Let us see question number 11. First of all, we'll write cloth and how many pieces they get. First, for 2.5 meter, one piece is there and total cloth is 50 meter. So how many pieces? Cross multiplication equal to 50 into 1 upon 1.25. Take out this decimal. 50 upon 125. This two numbers, so multiply by 100. Again cancellation. 5 25s are 5 10s are 5 5s are 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 20s are. So 2 into 20, which is equal to 40 pieces. Okay, so at last what we will write? She gets 40 pieces of cloth from 50. Each side of polygon is 2.5 cm in length. The perimeter of polygon is 12.5 cm. How many sides does the polygon have? Now each side means one side you had given, which is 2.5 cm, and perimeter means sum of all the side, which is total side. So that is 12.5 cm. Now we have to find the how many side of polygon have. Let us see question number 12. Length and side we had given. Length 2.5 cm of one side, so total is 12.5 cm. How many side? Cross multiplication. So first 12.5 multiplied by 1 upon 2.5. Remove this decimal, so 125 upon 10 multiplied by 25 upon 10. 10 10 cancel, 25 ones are and 25 fives are. So how many side? 5 side. So last answer is polygon have 5 sides. Okay, let us do 13th one. The product of two decimal is 42.987. If one of them is 12.46, find the other. Now here we have to find other number. So let the other decimal be x. First decimal we had given, which is 12.46 multiplied by x equal to 42.987. Let us do what we had given. We will write that let the other decimal be x. Now we have to form the equation. One of them is 12.46, so x multiplied by 12.46 equal to product is 42.987. Okay, this is in multiplication, so it will goes here in division. So x equal to 42.987 divided 12.46. Take out the decimal. 42,987 upon 1000 multiply by 1246 multiply by 100. Okay, now we'll multiply this. So equal to 4,98700 upon 1000 into 1246. Now we'll cancel it. 1246 ones are and 3 4 5 zeros are. So equal to 3450 upon 1000. So equal to 3.450. Okay, so the other number is 3.450. The weight of 34 bag of sugar is 3483.3 kg. If all bags weight equal, find the weight of each bag. Now here you had given 34 bags of sugar, weight is 3483.3 kg, and for the one bag we have to find out. Let us find out. First we had given bags and weight. For the 34 bag, how many kg? 3483.8 kg. For the one bag we have to find out. Cross multiplication. 1 into 3483.3 upon 34. Take out decimal. 34833 into 10 into 34. Now cancel it. 34 17 twos are and 17 204 nines are. Now we'll just 2049 into 10 into 2 is 20. Okay, now here you can simply divide by 20, or you can multiply by 5 here, so it will become 100. So simply you can put the point. Now 2049 into 5 is 10245 divided by 100. Here simply you can divide and just put the point, 102.45 kg. So for the weight of one bag is 102.45 kg. How many buckets of equal capacity can be filled from 586.5 liter of water if each bucket have capacity of 8.5 liter? Now for the one bucket capacity is 8.5 liter and total liter of water is 586.5. So how many bucket it is there? So we have to find that how many buckets. Question number 15. First we will write water and bucket. How many buckets we have to find? And for the 8.5 liter of water, one bucket needed. So for the 586.5 liter of water, how many bucket we have to find? Cross multiplication, which is equal to 586.5 multiply by 1 upon 8.5. Remove the decimal. 856 upon 10 into 10 into 8 5. 85 ones are 85 60 nines are. 0 0 cancel. So answer is 69 buckets. Simple. Okay, so at last what we will write? The number of bucket with equal capacity is 69. Thank you for watching this video.